Good afternoon. This is Jesse with the Garza home team at Remax in our San Antonio. Today I'm coming to you live from one of our open houses. One of the things that I was going to do is I was going to try to videotape myself so you can see me. But of course, technology is always giving us concerns. So one of the things is, let me just give you a quick tour of this home. Of course, you do have, it has tile looking, wood looking floor tile on the floor down in the bottom, and it does have two real good sized bedrooms to the side. Of course, a Jack and Jill with its private restroom that you see me, and then of course the other restroom and the other bedroom with the tall ceilings. It does have a game room and media room upstairs, but I'll show you that last. And of course, you can see the tall ceilings. You come over here to the left, and you do have an office. Once again, you're greeted with the tile flooring or wood tile flooring that you have. And of course, once again, you do have the tall ceilings on here. You have your half bath, and this home has contemporary colors, so it is going to have the white cabinets. Of course, the tall cabinets. Of course, open, that it gives you good breakfast area. Look to the back, and you can see where the refrigerator, kitchen area that is opened up to the living room area. Okay, and of course you see the fireplace. Let me just take you to the master bedroom so you can see how spacious the master bedroom is. You go to the master bedrooms and it gives you the bay window, and then it gives you the coffered ceilings. You walk into the restroom and you see you have a good walk-in stand-up shower, garden tub, of course, and it's going to be double vanity. Oh, it's going to be two separate vanities. It just goes upstairs so you can see what the game room has. Of course, you see the straight lines, and then of course it does also have the crown molding. We're looking railing. This home is located by Stone Oak. More specifically, it's going to be by Baverdi and outside 1604. Of course, good sized game room. Half bath. And then of course the media area that I was telling you about. Let me just, if you have any questions about this home, please feel free to contact me. Once again, this is Jesse with the Garza home team at Remax San Antonio. Thank you and have a nice day.